Hello children, welcome back to SST class to discuss chapter 3 of civics. What is government? In the previous video we discussed what is government, functions of government, types of government and levels of government. In this video we are covering organs of government. So dear children, there are three organs of government. First is legislature, second is executive, and third is judiciary. The first one, which is legislature, it is a law-making body. The government make laws to meet its objectives and carry out its functions. Children, laws and rules are very important for the proper functioning of any body. If laws are not set, then things will go in disorder. So this first organ of government, this legislature, it makes law. And these laws are to meet the changing needs of society for the further development. And the second organ is executive. Executive is the body, children, which applies the laws made by the first organ, that is legislature. Or we can also say executive puts all the laws into action and makes sure that they are obeyed by the common people. It is the responsibility of us, of common people, that we respect and obey the laws of our country. And third organ, which is judiciary, it ensures that the laws of the land are obeyed both by the government and the people, and it also looks after the wrongdoers, the people who violate the laws, to give them suitable punishment. Judiciary consists of the judges of High Court, Supreme Court, City Court, District Court, and so on. So they all look after how the laws are obeyed by the common people of a country. In this way, judiciary protects the people against unfair laws, against the wrong laws. And judiciary is not under the government, it is independent. It works on its own. It is called the upholding body of the Constitution. Next part is universal adult franchise. Children, first we understand what is the meaning of franchise. Franchise means the right to vote. When we have the right to vote for a candidate of our choice, this is called franchise. And what is adult franchise? Adult franchise is all citizens of India get the right to vote when they cross the age of 18. Like what age you are now? Now you are 10 or 11 years old, and at this age you cannot vote. But when you are of 18 years old, you will get your voter card and you will be able to vote for the candidate of your choice. That will become adult franchise. And universal adult franchise means the right to vote that is given to all adult citizens without the discrimination of caste, creed, color, religion or sex. So it is based on the equality It is based on the law of equality that all have the right to vote. That is the basic fundamental principle of our democratic country. The age of voting right was changed from 21 years to 18 years in year 1988. Also, those people who have been found guilty of election offences are punished, and there are also some people who are not mentally stable, who face some kind of disturbance in their mental setup. We can say they are mentally disabled people. They don't get the right to vote. They are not allowed to exercise their voting rights. So it is all about adult franchise or universal suffrage. There is one more point, children, that you will get in your question answers. What is suffragette movement? Children, suffragette movement took place in America in 1848. And in Britain it started around 1870s. It was the time when in West countries many people who were not having land or property were not given the right to vote. So only some people, some propertied people, they have the right to vote at that time. So it means many other people like women and poor people, they were not allowed to cast their vote in the elections. And then a protest, a kind of people raised their voice against this unfair law. And then after this, women got the right to vote. And in America, this is in 1920 when women got the right to vote. After this suffragette movement. So that was all about your chapter, children. I think this is clear to you now. Thank you, and I wish you a good day ahead.